Joe?
They're not.
She said 8.
Hey, that one's sitting on 2 and it's about to fall off, so that's cool.
You see one of them fucking shit back.
We've been sitting here for like 5 seconds.
No, there's one we can hop on.
Is it GTA?
Yeah.
You know, I would be walking next to a train.
You can jump on it? Yeah.
It's an Amazon.
Oh, is that? Oh, yeah.
Probably my package. One of my packages is going in.
Probably not actually. It's just going all way.
It's just getting delivered on that.
Stop, this is a long way train. Rico's just like, nope. Yeet.
Yeah, he sure was like that.
Hey Tristan, how do you spell yeet? Are you recording the train right now?
Uh-huh. You wanna be in it, dude? Rico, you wanna be on the video, man?
I'm good.
Okay. Well, Daniel, you're in the video. At least the back of your head is.
That's actually illegal.
She said,
Well, you know what? You're actually illegal, so there you go.
You say no, you're recording no, she's fat.
You gotta send me that. You gotta send me that video, Tristan.
Thanks, mate. All right, I will, dude. And you're also in the video, dude.
That one doesn't look very good.
Seattle, mate. I'm from Seattle.
Those are pretty hot.
Seattle, mate. I'm born in Seattle. It's time to
Just
ride
climb
from
it.
the sea.
Yeah, if you're something they're not seeing all over my head. Oh, what's that?
Time to ride it up, mate. I'm from the sea. I'm from
Yo.
Seattle. I'm from Seattle.
It's over.
I'm a Seattle boy. I'm a Seattle. Yeah.
Remy.
Hi, Daniel. Look behind you.
What's he doing? See, I want to know what...
back to your head.
Oh, yeah, because he's a retard.
No, that's just you.
Very good comeback.
shit on.
Oh yeah, you got him shitting me. You dork.